Hey guys, today I'm making a quick banana date breakfast shake. I'm going to start off by adding one whole fresh banana, 2 dates which I pre-soaked in hot water so they can get softened up, a 1/4 cup of rolled oats, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and whatever liquid you decide to use. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk. I'm using water. That's how I wanted it today, but sometimes I do add almond milk. And of course you can double and triple the recipe to make more. Now we're just going to blend this up and serve it up, and we're ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys next video. Bye!